See, I am not convinced because from the very beginning, they failed to register an FIR. When the incident took place, the students, there were Tripura Students Federation, there were Chakma students who went and tried to file an FIR. They refused, saying ये छोटा हादसा है, इसमें आप क्यों टांग अड़ा रहे हो? Then they got in touch with my sister, they got in touch with me. We reached out to the CMO and then the FIR was registered. The father had to travel to Uttarakhand and he's a BSF Jawan. After that, they filed an FIR. They gave enough time for these people to actually flee. Only after there was outrage, outroar, did they take some action. Today, when the brother is saying that they called us momos, chinkies. This is not the first time. You know, when Nido Tania was also killed 10 years ago and Base Barua committee was set up.
Yes.
That time also, the police tried to brush it aside as a fight between two people, a misunderstanding. Every time something happens, they like to live in denial because obviously हमारा जिंदगी तो सस्ता है, उनका जिंदगी उन लोगों को तो बचाना है लोगों को. लेकिन North East and India cannot progress till the time we don't address the elephant in the room, which is that racism exists. It existed against South Indians at a certain point of time. It exists against Northeasterners, and every student, every worker faces this every day. And if the police does not want to acknowledge that, then there will come a time when these actions will have a larger implication.
You know,